Welcome to WebStarPress. In this video, I will show you how can you copy SVG from any web page as image. To do that, right-click an SVG on a web page and select Inspect. You will see path tags trapped inside SVG tag. Select the SVG tag, right-click and copy, or press Ctrl+C from keyboard. After that, go to figma.com. You may have to create a free account. Open a new design file in Figma and press Ctrl+V to paste that SVG inside Figma. And here's that SVG file as an image with all the vectors inside. You can select the frame, group all vectors, and export it as PNG or SVG to get the image in desired format. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.